What's going on? It's Scott here, and I'm back working on the GT Performer. It's a late 90s GT Performer, and got the wheels off. These are, well, this rim is an Alex rim. I think it says that somewhere, or maybe it doesn't. I don't know. I think it's an Alex rim, and then it's got like KK style hub. It's got a KK style hub, and it's got the freewheelless rear all wheel, obviously, and then this one is a KK hub. If I can, uh, so you can see it's KK, and then it's got these cool rims. So like the rims are like almost matching. They, I think this one was off a dyno. This one came with this when I bought it. Um, so I got the frame and the fork, and then like a bunch of parts with it, and building her up. So this is a rebuild. So like this was my bike when I was a freshman in high school. So when I was in ninth grade, and it's had a lot of revisions. Like the seat I had on it was that Schwinn seat, different seat post, different wheels, different crank set. Like now I got the GT Power Series crank set on there, and GT aluminum pedals with like the reflectors are surprisingly on there. So yeah, it's looking really good. But I got a surprise for you. I ordered something, and we're gonna see what they look like. And we'll put you in the tripod. Hopefully you stay in the tripod. Okay. So, whip out my pocket knife. Cut up the packaging. No idea how this is. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this. Oh yeah. What? Heck yeah, dude. So this GT Performer is gonna be having some red tires. They are 20 by 1.95, and I am excited to put these on. They're Kenda red Kenda tires. Woohoo! Got them. I'm excited. So yeah, sunlight, and this is Kenda. So yes, take pictures of these bad boys. Brand new tires. Woohoo! And we're gonna be wrapping them on there with new tubes. So like I try to put these purple ones on, and they're too wide. They're Kink BMX purple tires that I really liked, and they look really dope on there, but they didn't fit. So heads up. So like if you have a GT Performer, 20 by 2.4 inch does not fit. So I learned that the hard way. So I'm gonna put those are brand new inner tubes. And I got red rim liners, so those look sick. Yeah, and I gotta shorten this because if I do bar spin, so bar spins are no go right now. I gotta shorten up that cable, and I'll get new decals eventually. Not in the budget right now. I overspent on the tires too. I just love this bike. All right, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. It is the GT Performer all built. So if you followed along over the years, I've been working on the rebuild, and even got The chain all tightened up, and then the rear brakes are working great. Front tires all on there. Front brakes are working great. So yeah, she's all done. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I really like the red kind of tires. They're like red sunlight kind of tires. Really pop, and then I even went as far as like the little detail, like the cable crimps are red. So there's that, and then shorten this one up so you can do bar spins now and other flatland tricks if I want to. So it's like it's pretty tight. And then painted that this cap purple because it's I don't know, I guess it's like black rainbow or something, I don't know, but it looks really great. I'm excited to go ride it. It's springtime.